this video, we are going to make our webcams like pros on OBS. Let's start with the first way, using PNG files. Just open the browser that you have. It doesn't matter that you use any browser. And I need search download field circle.png. If you want, you can search download field round rectangle.png. You can search download field oval.png. It depends on you. I just want to use the circle way. You can use other images. And on this search result, you'll see tons of websites. I just open the first one and I start downloading this one, whole black circle. The other thing that you'll need to download is just searching download circle.png. I just mean just search download your target image.png. And I start using the circle one. There are lots of good looking shapes. So I just open again this website and download this round circle. Right now we need to jump into the OBS. I just have these two files and I recommend you to save them in a safe location, because when they are going to be deleted, your webcam is going to have some problems. Okay, I just open my OBS. This is the OBS that I have, and I just go into the webcam video capture device and hit on filters. On filters, I need to press on plus and use image mask / blend. I click on it, hit on the OK. Right now I need to hit on the browse and find the full black circle path. Double click on it, and on the type part I need to set it on alpha mask. Okay, alpha mask, alpha channel. Ta-da! And I hit on the close. So you'll see me like circle. So right now on the scene that you have your screen or your game capture, anything that you're going to use, just drag and drop the other image that we downloaded. So I just full screen and start to resizing this circle. This is the first way that you can make your webcam look like pro. So let's jump to another way. To improve your webcam style, you can do this option too. Just select the field picture that you have. As an example, I have this round circle, and I'm going to use Photoshop. If you are using Canva or any picture editing software, just put it in here. And I'm going to using paint by tool and make it white. Right now we have this white image. The other thing that I all need to do is I just go to the filters, and on the filter we'll see blur, and I'm going to set a Gaussian blur for it. So you need to improve this Gaussian blur. Right now you will see this result. Okay, this number is quite good. I hit on the OK. I use Ctrl Alt S to save this one as a PNG file. I hit on the OK and again hit on the OK. So this file is our result. Okay, you see this shining edge. So again, I open my OBS and drag and drop this picture that we have. So decrease the size, set it as the best location. So if you do this way, you just have a little white shining that can encourage people to just see you. Okay, if you want, you can use other colors. Okay, you can use, I don't know, purple, white, any color that you like. So with this way you can have a glow on back of your webcam. If you want to make your webcam as cool as freezing point, do this. Just open the browser that you have and search this parameter, download PNG border for OBS. I just opened the first website. In this website, I'm going to download this border. If you are a streamer, you can download these shapes. These are PNG files, and on Photoshop or Canva, anything that you have, just replace this your name with your exact name or your game ID. It depends on you, and customize it for yourself and use it. This is the other thing that you can easily add it on OBS. I just use this one. I'm going to just tell you another thing. I hit on the PNG, so I need to download the PNG file. All of the things that you are really going to download and use it on OBS must be PNG, because PNG is the best file format that you can use. Okay, it does not have any background, so you can entirely use this I don't know, design that it has. I just change my mind and I open this website to download this image. I click on it and hit on the free download. So right now we have that file. I just drag and drop it into the OBS. So right now I resize it. So you just need to set it as top and make your webcam the lower one. Right now, if you like them, whenever you play and do other things, they're not going to be selected and you have your result. But I recommend you to unlike them at first and use both of them. I hold shift on the keyboard to select both of them, right click and press on group. okay, group selected item. Click on it and I type this group name webcam. So I just like this webcam group, or even I select the webcam group. With resizing, I can easily resize all the parts that are added on the webcam group. So this way is really better. I'll just set the master rate till the end for those who are watching this video till the end. So open the browser that you have, and on your browser search download animated video borders, and there are tons of websites that can give you these animated borders. I just open this website, select one of them that you like. I previously download this file from this website. So on the OBS, I hit on plus and press on media source. Click on it. I need to create a new one. Press on OK. So I'll locate this file at the desktop. This is the file that I have. And I'm also going to enable this loop option. And I really need to resize it. So right now, based on the things that we did, we can have this cool round animated colors border. You might say that, okay, these parts are not really good. At the beginning part of the video, I told you how you can mask the images, okay, how you can mask your webcam. Taking a screenshot from this rounded rectangle, put it on the Photoshop or any editing software that you have, fill that out, and add a mask for your webcam so you can resolve this issue. I just need to mention that if you have a high-end PC, use the final method that I told. Instead, you might see lags on your output. All done. I told you the things that you'll need to know about customizing your webcam style and OBS. If you want to learn OBS more to improve your video and audio quality, don't forget to watch this video. That's really helpful. See you at the next one.